Hi everybody, welcome back. I am Akanksha and in today's video we are going to see what is mandala, meaning, uses and how to draw simple mandala. If this is something that might interest you, watch the video till the end. If you are here for the first time, go check out my channel. I am Akanksha and I share simple doodle lettering artwork and DIY videos. Before we go, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and do like it, share it. So what is mandala? I think we all have been doing mandala in the form of symmetric drawings or making rangolis in Diwali, etc. Mandala in Sanskrit is called mandal, which means a circle. And it is said that circle is the most natural shape known to human beings. So basically, mandala art refers to diagrams, charts, geometric patterns with symmetry. It also has a spiritual meaning in Hinduism and Buddhism and certain other civilizations as well. And like doodling, it also has many benefits. It equally helps in healing, it can act like meditation, and it can bring peace. So we all can learn to use this mandala to relax and free our minds. So let's see how to do some easy mandala patterns. So now I've simply drawn circles and I'm drawing some petals and some designs. So the basic point here is that we can do any drawing as per our choice, and the only thing is that it can be in symmetry, which is what mandala is. And then you can equally color it with your own choice or even keep it black and white. So I have used this Unipen fine line waterproof 0.5 pen. You can border your design and then color. I hope you like this video. Watch it till the end to see the beautiful mandala that I have created. So if you also loved watching this, go try doing one mandala art today, and don't forget to share this video with all your friends to pass on this fun, creative yet informative piece of art form with others. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, the share button and do subscribe to my channel. Tell me what did you like the most in the comments below, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.